You're holding something right now that won't exist in 20 years. Let me show you what's about to vanish from your life. 5 everyday technologies dead by 2045. Number 3 will shock you. Let's go. Number 5, smartphones. By 2045, neural interfaces and AR contact lenses replace them completely. Your last smartphone purchase? Probably 2032. Number 4, physical keyboards. Brain-computer interfaces let you type at thought speed. By 2045, pressing keys seems as slow as handwriting letters. Number 3, steering wheels. Manual driving becomes illegal in cities. Your kids will never learn to drive. This generation takes the last driver's ed test. Number 2, passwords. Continuous biometric AI identifies you by how you move and think. No more logins, no more resets. Authentication becomes invisible. Number 1, refrigerators. Molecular preservation tech replaces them. Compact wall units the size of microwaves. That giant cold box becomes a 20th century space waster. 5 technologies vanishing by 2045. Which shocked you most? Comment below and subscribe to see what replaces them. See you in the future.